Dear students, this is video 3 of the chapter Breathing and Exchange of Gases. In this video, I will be explaining you the complete mechanism of breathing, how inspiration is done in the body, how we expire the air out of the body, and what are the muscles that are involved in this complete process. Breathing and exchange of gases. Now we will discuss the mechanism of breathing. There are two phases of breathing. First is inspiration and second is expiration. What is inspiration? The process of taking in fresh air into the lungs from where? From outside. It is an active process. The muscles involved in inspiration are: first one is diaphragm. What is happening to diaphragm in relaxed condition? It is dome shaped. I am encircling the diaphragm in the diagram. Convex towards thoracic cavity and concave towards abdominal cavity. During inspiration, what is happening? It contracts and becomes straight and descends down. Second is in external intercostal muscles. The gap between the ribs is called intercostal space, and this intercostal space is filled by intercostal muscles. External intercostal muscles are related to inspiration and internal intercostal muscles are related to expiration. Thus, the direction of external intercostal muscle fiber is downward, forward. Let's understand this with the help of this video. You can see we are breathing in air, ribs move up and outwards, yes, like this, and diaphragm is moving down and chest cavity is increasing. Third is accessory muscles of inspiration. These are not actually involved during normal inspiration, but in forced inspiration they become active. They are scalene, sternomastoid and allanacea. Now is expiration. Outflow of air from lungs is called expiration. What is happening? External intercostal muscles relax, ribs move inferiorly, diaphragm relax, its dome moves superiorly, and muscles involved in expiration are internal intercostal muscles and abdominal muscles. What is the direction of internal intercostal muscles? It is backward and downward. Abdominal muscles are the muscles of anterior abdominal wall. These muscles push the diaphragm up. How? Just look into this video. During expiration, ribs move towards inwards and downwards, diaphragm moves up, chest cavity is reducing. So this is how expiration is taking place. If you have any query, just go to the website AskIITians.com, click on the discussion board, select the category of your question type, type your question over there and get it answered from our experts, the experts of AskIITians, within 24 to 48 hours free of cost. We have discussed in this video the complete mechanism of breathing, the involvement of diaphragm and ribs during the process of inspiration and expiration, the movement of diaphragm and ribs during the complete process of respiration. In our next video, I will be explaining you respiratory volumes and capacities. So let's move on to the fourth video.